Today we're going to do things I hate about Animal Jam. Number 1 is the beggar. Like the total beggar. See what they're saying? Please, 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 can I have collar? It's Number 2 is the scammer. Now you see, I hate people like this. They just say that, they just scam you all the time. Now that is not very good. Number 3 is the fake. Oh, wait. Oof. Okay, I just got that wrong. Yeah. So we're both fakers right now. We're both pretending to be fakers. I'm... So these people are fakes. Very, very fakes. Now we have that person who just reports and runs. Like literally just reports and runs. Shh. Okay. So like people just get reported and then the people run off, and they sometimes even disappear to their own den and you can't find them. Like, why on earth would they do something like that? Why would they just report you and run off? Like, people get banned from Animal Jam because people are doing that. Like, literally, people just get banned from that like that. That is so annoying. Anyway, I'm guessing it's time to end this video here, and we will jam you later. And just thanks for Bitsy 18 for being in my video. Thank you very, very, very much. She was the person who was scamming and everything. But as I said again, jam you later. Bye.